Hello and Salam Ramadan to Prof. Siva. Today I would like to talk about my project on industrial design, BMFR 3423. My project name is Twin Handle Kettle. My name is Tengku Muhammad Ashraf bin Tengku Halim. I am from section 3. My friend is Nur Fatin binti Zulkifli and another one is Ahmed Shazwan bin Azizuddin. This is personal one. Encik Aizat is work as barista at Starbucks Kuala Terengganu. He work from Monday to Friday. He always use the kettle, but he use the kettle more than 6 hours. He suffer the pain in the grip and wrist. So he need to find the kettle that can solve his problem. So the persona need is a kettle that made from the light material. The design kettle can be used for long hour. Need a less stress on kettle handle and comfortable for the handle user. This is our second persona. Her name is Puan Marina, who is a full-time housewife in Sungai Petani. Always used to drink coffee and use the electric kettle. The pain existed in her wrist because they repeatedly using the kettle. So this persona require less energy to handle the kettle, prefers switch to know the water is ready to be used, design that can prevent the water from splashing, less time consumed, and stability. In this slide, we have come out 10 initial concepts. As you can see, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 concepts we have been met. This concept is different than another one because the shape is different, the size is different, the method of using it is different. This concept is very important because we need to know which one is the best concept we have get, and that need to be selected by the persona 1 and persona 2. So we need to know the best concept, the more ergonomic of the concept. 10 initial concept. There are some of the criteria that we put through for this metric. The first one is adjustable pouring slot, easy of handling, comfortable to grip, water level meter, flexible water inserting slot, attachable cup holder, switching on and off, and stable on the flat surface. So you can see the result that have been made from this metric. There are only 3 of the concept variant that approve the selection criteria. 3 of them is number 2, number 5, and number 8. Our metric, we have asked the persona 1 and persona 2 to give the score on each of the design. So there are 2 P1, P2 represent the persona 1 and persona 2. So the highest mark that we get from this metric is from the concept 5, which is highest than this concept 2 and concept 8. So this concept 5 is considered as the best concept that we have made we have been answered by the persona 1 and persona 2. In this design, there are on-off switch. When switch on to be used, automatically switch off after the water boil. The handle located at the side of the body to give the proper comfort grip and while lifting the kettle. The water level is located on the side of the kettle to give indicator of water level. The water gauge works as the safety in the kettle. On this sketch, we have designed the handle according to the suitability shape of the kettle. Handle will be mounted at the top body of the kettle to give a better grip and avoid the stress on the hand while lifting a full capacity of water compared to the side handle. The water level meter is positioned at the top of the kettle to give a better vision on checking water level and to avoid difficulties and repetitive movement if the water level positioned at the side of the kettle. The white base is need to be used to increase the safety and stability of the kettle. Best concept we have been choose. There are 3 handle on the design. For ergonomy, the main handle is to give the main support on hand to lift the kettle. The second handle is mounted on the top of the kettle to give extra support while lifting a full capacity of water and comfortable hold the kettle. And the third handle is prefer to be used to hold the kettle while fill up the water. The isometric view of our base concept. As you can see, there are a net water funnel capable for slot in and out, which provide easier way to fill up the kettle with water, and the purpose of the net to avoid the water from splashing. The top cover can be turned 180 degrees left or right for easier water inserting. The last base that we have been designed to give more stability on the flat surface. The water level meter is new design positioned at the top of the kettle to give a better vision checking on water level while fill up the kettle, so you can know the water level just on the top. This is the simple diagram to show to you about the function of the water slot. The left image is to show the top cover we slide out that the water can be easily into the water. The arrow is preferred as the water. The right image is to show that the water through the net and inside the top of cover and into the hole of the kettle. As you can see, there are small hole that we have been designed inside the water slot, so the water from the top can be go into the slot and into the kettle easily. For the form and functional analysis, the major part is the handle. We have 3 handles for the ergonomic purpose. These 3 handles will give the best grip for the user to use it. The next ergonomic part is the net water funnel that can capable of to slot in and slot out, which provide the easier way to the user. The top cover can be turned 180 degrees, so it's the new design for the kettle. It has a large base for the stability as the user want, and the last one is the water level that we put on the top of the kettle so that it's more ergonomic, so the eyes can see it easily. On the user interface, the affordance first one is the kettle handle, and the kettle handle is able to grab the handle with 2 hands. Need less energy to hold the kettle. Easy for the user to pour out the water with good stability. The net water funnel is easy to fill out water without splashing, so you don't worry about the splashing of the water full on your kitchen cabinet. The net water funnel can be slip out to fill in the water and slip back inside to operate the kettle. The consistency, the functional. Water level meter alert the user whether the water is full enough. The water will be moved according to the level of water inside the kettle. So that's all for my presentation. I hope you understand and enjoy my presentation. Stay safe. Thank you.